Day 5 at the Mukwa Uniport, and we are back again with yet another group of participants taking part in the physical residency. These people have been prototyping for 5 days, and today is the 5th and final day, and it's been an exciting experience. And just before we dive further, we'd just like to know you more. So, kindly tell us your names and the institutions you come from.
I am Dr. Siambe. I am a graduate from the Coca-Cola University. I did computer engineering.
My name is Imange Kambole, and I'm a metallurgical engineer and mineral processing student at the University of Zambia.
Okay.
My name is Mutinta Shamambo, an aircraft maintenance engineer. I recently completed from Zambia Air Services Training Institute.
Amazing. So for you guys to be here this week, we definitely know that you took part in one of the hackathons that were organized by the Mukoba Uniport. So would like to know, which hackathon did you take part in?
We took part in the Mindtech Pipeline hackathon that took place on the 27th and 28th November.
Okay, and how was your experience from that hackathon?
It was amazing. We got to know ourselves better, how to work in teams, we realized that we are much more than we came up with so many ideas, and we ended up looking at the real world and knowing what kind of problems are out there and seeing how technology can solve problems in our communities.
Alright, amazing. So definitely you were given a problem that you addressed, and that's the one you've been finding a solution to and working towards it. So we'd just like to know, what problem have you been addressing in your innovation?
We've been addressing the problem of equipment failure in the mine, seeing that the mine drives most of Zambia's economy. So looking at that problem, we decided to come up with a solution that can help us predict those failures.
All right, thank you very much for that information. And for those that might be listening to this and getting across this innovation for the first time, they would like to find out, how does the solution work? So quickly just walk us through how your solution works.
Sure. Our solution is sensor-based. The background of our solution is sensors. Since different equipments have a different way of indicating that they're about to degrade.
Okay.
There are others that is vibration. Vibration, the magnitude and the frequency of those vibrations, if they start to change, we'll know that if they start to go beyond a certain threshold, we'll know that there's a problem. Some use pressure, and we know that pressure, if the force is increasing or reducing, we know there's a problem. After pressure, we have temperature. Certain equipments, when they're about to die, they start to overheat. What we managed to prototype this week was we wanted to give an example of a tailings dam failure. Like a few weeks ago, there was an accident that happened where tailings dam overflew. So why don't we create something that will be able to sense that there's a rise? Action needs to be taken, which is watering the tailings dam before they overflow. So this is where this sample got in. Because it does not only sense, it also sends alerts, like making sure that everyone on site should be aware that there's an accident almost happening. So my colleague here is going to demonstrate.
Okay.
And this is a step how indicating what is happening. So this is a simulation of a tailings dam or any reservoir that could be there in the line, and then this is a sensor that's sensing the way the water is rising in the stuff water there.
Okay.
So we put that the threshold should be 80%. So it has moved beyond the threshold. And it's going to help alerting everyone that the pressure or the water has increased beyond the normal threshold.
Amazing. So before we wrap up, we'd just like to find out from you, how has been your experience of working on the prototype that you've done in these 5 days?
It's been, let me just say one thing.
Yeah?
This system won't stop making this noise until you acknowledge that I've seen the alert. Now now seen and I need to take the next step, which is dewatering. If it's telling them I'm supposed to dewater it now.
Amazing.
Yes.
So, in closing, can you just tell us how your experience has been in this prototyping and what help you've received from Mukova Uniport throughout your innovation, from ideation up to prototype?
Sure. It has been a great experience. We've been supported with mentors that have worked with us. You know, the time we were coming for prototype, we even mentioned, they treat us like babies because we came up with so much ambitious ideas without knowing how the background framework is supposed to work. But we were helped with technicians that were able to help us even understand what the background activity is going on, how the communication, the gateways, how everything is communicating until to the last stage. We even got to know that you can actually make a call from a website to that. We got to learn a lot of things in this short five days, and we are really grateful for that.
Amazing. As Mukova Uniport, we are also excited to have you be part of this program, and we wish you all the best as you continue refining your prototype, and we look forward to seeing your project on the market, reaching greater heights and reaching its fullest potential. So thank you very much for coming through.
Thank you so much for having us.
You're welcome.